Received cash from Suresh. The journal entry is cash account debtor to Suresh account. Come to the next. Paid for stationery. Paid means cash. And the journal entry is stationery account debtor to cash account. Okay. Now come to the next. We have drawn the ledger accounts. Students, at the top you should write it as ledger account. In between the page, write it as capital account. Next, write Rajesh account. Next, write Suresh account. Purchases account, sales account, stationery account, and next is the cash account. For each account, leave 5 to 6 lines. For each account, leave 5 to 6 lines. Okay? Write capital account in between the page. First, get the page folded. Do not leave the margin. First, get the page folded. Draw the midline, a darkened line or a double line so that you are bifurcating debit and credit. Okay? To the left hand side, write it as DR. To the right hand side, write it as CR. D capital, C capital, R small. Okay? Come to the next. Day, particulars, JF. JF is nothing but the journal folio. The page number of the journal entry is the JF. You need not do anything. In practical, you will be having it. Okay? Next, amount or the rupees. The same will appear to the credit side. Come to the next. We will start with the problem now. The journal entry is cash account debtor to capital account. So cash account is debited. DR means debited. Cash account is debited. Come to the debit side of the cash account. This is the debit side. Left hand side is called as the debit side. Write the date 1/1/20. So which account is credited? Write it as to capital account. To capital account. And the amount is 50,000. Amount is 50,000. Come to the next. What happened to the capital account? It is credited. 2 means it is credited. Come to the capital account credit side. Which account is debited? Cash account is debited. Write it as by cash account. Same amount. Come to the next. Purchases account debtor to Rajesh account. Purchases account is debited. Come to the debit side of the purchases account. Write the date 5/1. Write it as to Rajesh account. And the amount is 10,000. Come to the Rajesh account, it is credited. Come to the credit side. Write the date 5/1. Write it as by purchases account. Purchases account. Write the amount 10,000. Come to the next. Rajesh account debtor to cash account. Come to the Rajesh account, it is debited. Come to the debit side. Write the date 10/1. To cash account. Write it as 5,000. Come to the cash account, it is credited. Come to the credit side. Write the date 10/1. Write it as by Rajesh account 5,000. Come to the next. Suresh account debtor to sales account. Suresh account is debited. Come to the debit side. Write 15/1 to sales account. Write the amount 15,000. Come to sales account. Come to the sales account. It is credited. Come to the credit side. Write the date 15/1. Write it as by Rajesh account. Sorry, by Suresh account. Write it as by Suresh account. 15,000. Next, cash account debtor to Suresh account. Cash account is debited. Come to the debit side. Write the date 31/2020. Write it as to Suresh account. And the amount is 10,000. to the Suresh account credit side, it is credited. Come to the credit side, write the date 30/1/2020. By cash account 10,000. Next. Stationery account debtor to cash account. Stationery account is debited. Come to the debit side, write the date 31/1/20 to cash account 1000. And come to your cash account, it is credited. Write it as by stationery account 1000. Write the date 31/1/20. Okay, students, these are the entries now. We will have to close it now. So leave one line to both the sides. At the bottom, draw two lines. These two should come in the same line. Credit is heavier. Write it as 50,000 both the sides. Whatever is the difference you are getting, write it to the first line. Write it as 50,000. Here you write the closing date 31/1. Write it as 2 balance carried down. 2 balance carried down. Whatever is the balance carried down should come to the opposite side. Write the date 1/2/2020. By balance brought down. Come to the Rajesh account now. Leave one line to both the sides and close it. When you are closing, at the bottom draw two lines and see that both of them come on the same line. So 10,000 is the heavier amount. Both the sides write it as 10,000. You are getting the difference of 5,000. Write it as 31/1. Write it as 2 balance carried down. Come to the credit side. Write the date 1/2/2020. By balance brought down 5,000. Now come to the Suresh account. Close it. Leave one line to both the sides and close it. So 15,000 is the heavier amount. Both the sides write it as 15,000. You get the difference of 5,000. And write the date 31/1/2020. Write it as by balance carried down. Come to the debit side. Write 1/2/2020. 2 balance brought down. Write it as 5,000. Come to the purchases account. Close it. 10,000 both the sides. Difference is 10,000. Write the date 31/1/2020. By balance carried down. Come to the debit side. 1/2/2020. 2 balance brought down. 2 balance brought down. Write it as 10,000. Come to the sales account. Close it. Both the sides write it as 10,000. 15,000. Both the sides write it as 15,000. The difference, write the date 31/1. 2 balance carried down. Come to the credit side. 1/2/2020. By balance brought down 15,000. Come to the stationery account. Close it. Both the sides write it as 1,000. Whatever is the difference, write it as 31/1/2020. By balance carried down. Come to the debit side. Write the date 1/2/2020. 2 balance brought down. That is 1,000. Come to the cash account. Leave one line, close it. Always debit will be heavier most of the times. Write it as 60,000. minus 8, you get is 54,000. Write the date 31/1/2020. By balance carried down. Come to the debit side. Write the date 1/2/2020. To balance brought down 54,000. Okay, students. For example, now purchases account debit side is showing as to balance brought down. We say that it is a debit balance. For example, sales account credit side it is showing by balance brought down. Brought down is important. Where does it appear? It is appearing to the credit side. We say that it is a credit balance. For example, cash balance brought down is appearing to the debit side. We say that it is a debit balance. The remaining things will be taught by Savitri madam in the next class.